Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everyone, this is John Carter with Absolute Wealth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. Not a lot to say today. As I've been talking about, the main theme of this market is that, we had this ugly move down, made higher moves from that, had another ugly move down on worse news than the news that was taking place here. Okay, so we got kind of a divergence there, looking for new highs, got it, came back down. I thought we'd hold a little bit tighter here, but we did probe, and then bam, and then today we actually just edged through this high. So I do look for a little bit more of an extension here. But these things, they don't go straight up forever. I think we can get strength tomorrow on Friday, and then from there we'll be due for a little rest. But believe it or not, I still think that there is more upside in this market. Google released earnings. The earnings were really, really good. You can see we closed at $5.93 over here, but after hours we're up $26, so that'll be a little bit of a boost to the market. In fact, let me see what the NASDAQ futures are doing here. NASDAQ futures are, they're a little quiet. They're weren't too moved by that, but typically you'll see much more movement in that in the next morning, so we'll see how that goes. And then if we look at Apple key stock today, that actually did pretty good. It actually wasn't looking so hot yesterday. One market here is soybeans that I continue to like, and soybeans continue going higher and higher and higher. So just in general, we do have essentially money kind of pouring into assets today. If we take a look at the gold market here, gold just continues to be quiet. This is normal. If we take a look here at a weekly chart of GLD, you'll notice here that this is just how gold moves. Gold has a big sprint up, and then it takes, kind of a rest, and then it has a big sprint up and then takes a rest, and a big sprint up and then a rest, and big sprint up, and now it's just, we've had essentially a fairly quick move from this level to this level, and now it's just kind of digesting that move. So I think it's just going to be quiet for a while. No market goes straight up or straight down, and it just has to digest that move. All right, so we'll go back here to a daily chart, and I want to look at let's see, the dollar index. And the dollar index here, just after this very bullish move in May, kind of pulled back, made new highs. Same thing, I'm just kind of looking for it to rest and relax and gain steam and continue to head higher. And a stronger dollar will keep a little bit of downward pressure on gold. Okay, so main thing right now is I am looking for higher equities in the near future. I'm willing to give this rally a couple more weeks, continue to buy the dips, and then I'll update you on what I think is going to happen next. All right, you guys have a great rest of the trading day and a good weekend, and I'll see you again next week at the next update.